Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making Assassin's Creed sword. So the things you need for this video are two big cardboards. I haven't measured them, so I don't know the size. You need one small cardboard too. You need a measuring tape, 3 black sketch pens and 1 pencil, and a scissor and a glue. And if you need a scale, you can take that also. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we should start from the handle. The whole sword is the metal part of the sword is going to, the blade of the sword is going to be 95 centimeters, and the handle will be around 30 centimeters. So now let's start drawing the handle. Majestic sword. You also need a grey color and a black color. The sides of the sword is going to be around 7 centimeters. The details will draw after the whole sword is finished. Now let's draw the handle. The handle starts from the horns of this creature. But we will make it a bit fat because we don't want it to pop while we are playing or doing anything. We'll draw the details later, as I said. Now if the handle is done, we have to draw the same shape 4 or 5 times. So see you after the blade is sticked to the 3 or 4 pieces. After you have cut the handle, it will look like this. Now let's draw 3 more pieces of this and the handle will be ready. Comment down below what drawing or thing should I make with cardboard next. Until the 3rd layer is drying, we will move on to the blade. So for the blade is the size, the centimeter of the blade is around 95. So you need 2 big cardboards that measure 47.5 centimeters. So we can tape them all together and draw the blades. Let's start drawing the blade. The blade is going to be 4 to 5 layers big because you know it will take 2 or 3 layers. And the blade slowly becomes thin and thin when it keeps on becoming big. So you should be all careful. You all should be careful. Don't mind my English. I'm very bad English. So this is the front and this is the back. Now let's cut them and cut some more layers and we'll stick them together and paint them and it will be a blade. Now as you can see, the two pieces have been cut. They measure 47.5 centimeters. So if you plus them, the answer is 95 centimeters. Now let's stick them. So now when you have sticked the middle two parts, because there was a line between them and I couldn't have stick them without another cardboard, now we have to stick the front part and the back. Let's start measuring and sticking. So until the blade is drying, we'll move on to the handle. Let's see if it's completely dried or not. Now let's shift it. Now when your handle is completely dried, let's cut it. The handle is ready. Let's make the designs until this blade is dry. have a shiny gray color or silver color, so I will not paint the blade. If you have those, you're free to color it. Now when the sword is cut, as you can see, I've added these extra protections because the sword may break. So now let's stick the sword to the handle. Let's see if the handle is the same size or small. Now this is the handle, this is the sword. We have to stick the handle over here. So let's stick it. So guys, now the sword is sticked completely. As you can see, it's very strong. So I'm not going to color the blade because I don't have the proper colors. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.